Hello friends, welcome to Tebo's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a tapas dish. We're going to prepare some Spanish garlic shrimp or Gambas al Ajillo. This dish originated in the southern region of Andalusia in Spain, where the roots are tied of using local seafood and ingredients. Now the modern version we're going to prepare today, its attributes go to Madrid in the 1940s, where a restaurant owner was seeking a replacement for bread since there was a flour shortage. From there, this dish grew very popular all over Spain and now all over the world. It's probably one of the most popular tapas, if not the most popular. It's delicious, it takes only a few ingredients, really easy to make, and we're going to show you how to do it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 2 pounds of shrimp, 8 garlic cloves, 1 guindilla pepper, 1 tablespoon of Spanish hot paprika, half a bunch of parsley, half a cup of white wine, olive oil, salt to taste, and some crusty bread to enjoy. First, we're going to start by cleaning our shrimp. I got this beautiful shrimp. It doesn't come with the head on, and we're just going to remove the shells. I'm also going to devein it. And once we have all our shrimp ready, remember you can keep the shells and the heads, in your case, to make some broth. I put them on a tray, and I'm going to put some paper towels just to dry them. Next step is we're going to take our garlic and we're going to slice it finely. This is going to help us for the garlic not to burn and help us infuse our olive oil. Now we're going to take our parsley, and we only want the leaves. I'm not going to use the stems this time. And now that we have all our leaves, we're going to chop them finely. Now we have all our ingredients ready. It's traditional to use a clay pot to cook these. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a lot of olive oil. Remember, the olive oil is going to turn into our sauce. If you don't have a clay pot, you can use a regular pan. Just adjust your heat. Now we're going to add our garlic. And then I'm going to turn the heat on at low. That way we start cooking the garlic from the beginning with the oil cold and help not to burn. Just going to keep on stirring until you start feeling the fragrance of the garlic. I'm also going to cut my guindilla pepper. I'm using some shears. And this is just to give it a little bit of kick to our garlic shrimp. You can leave the guindilla out if you don't like spicy. Once we see the oil starts bubbling, and the garlic starts to brown, we are ready. Now it's time to cook our shrimp. We're gonna cook them real quick, as with the clay pot, it's gonna stay warm and they're gonna keep on cooking even when we turn the heat off. So we're gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna start adding my shrimp. Then we're gonna make sure that they're all covered with that olive oil. At this point, I'm gonna add a little bit of white wine, just to give it a little bit of tanginess. You can also use lemon or vinegar if you want. We're gonna add some salt. And we're not gonna be shy. And our Spanish smoked paprika. I'm using hot paprika. You can use sweet if you want. Now as our shrimp is cooking, we're going to incorporate everything. And once our shrimp are kind of halfway through, we're going to lower the heat and we're going to add our parsley. We're going to toss it a little bit. And then it's time to turn off the heat. This is ready. All we need is some crusty bread. Quick and easy, our Spanish garlic shrimp or Gambas al Ajillo are ready. And let me tell you, it smells amazing. Let's try them. That is delicious. And you always need to have some crusty bread to mop up the sauce. Oh man, look at that. Simple ingredients, but you put everything together and it packs a lot of flavor. This is delicious, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any special recipe that you would like to see. And don't forget, at the end of this video, give us a like. Visit our store on Amazon, where you're going to be able to find pots, pans, cooking books, specialty ingredients, etc. Or our Tebo's World Recipe store through our YouTube channel, where you can find t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, etc. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next time.